Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Destiny and thank you for tuning in. If you are new, then welcome. If you are one of my subscribers returning, then thank you for coming back. You believe in me. Oh my gosh, you have faith in me. Before I even get into this video, don't forget to follow me on social media. Yeah, you like how I did that, right? Your girl is learning. And the thing is, I'm not really good with technology. Sorry for the dog barking. Every time I'm trying to be productive and do something with my life, there's always something going on. This video is going to be an eyeliner tutorial. I really wanted to do like something really cute and simple. I wanted to add a little twist to it. So I did this, and oh my gosh, I'm in love with it. If you want to see how I get this eyeliner look, then keep on watching. Let me know what you do for your eyeliner. Do you like cream? Do you like gel? Do you like a liquid? Do you like pencil? Do you even like to wear eyeliner? You know, electric glow? No, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up if you please. Don't forget to comment and subscribe at the bottom down below. The button right there says because I need you. I'm trying to grow. I'm trying to grow up in the world, you know? Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, blah, 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 blah. Oh yeah, and don't forget, be safe, wear your mask, watch your surroundings, be careful, you know? It's a lot going on out here, sis. A lot is going on. Have any suggestions or any advice you want to throw at me, then sis, I'm all ears. Come on. And I will see you in my next one. Be safe. To speed up the process, I already did my eyebrows. I wanted to try something new for my brows because, you know, I'm trying to get off that dead brow. And I actually just picked up this brow pencil. This is the Brow Bestie by NYX, and this is in the shade, check this. It's in deep brown, and then I just cleaned up my brows with some concealer, and I just set my concealer with some Fenty powder. This is the Fenty Pro Filter. I'm going to go in with my Anastasia. This is the liquid liner, and this is what we're going to be using today. So I'm going to take my applicator. I'm going to clean off a little bit the edges so I'm not picking up too much product. Alright, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create my wing. But not really the wing, it's just the line for the wing. This kind of just gives me an idea of how everything's going to connect together. Okay, so the next step is our liner, okay? What I'm going to do is I'm going to take my eyeliner and I'm going to start from the inner tear duct of my eye. And I'm just going to drag this out right alongside, and I'm not going to stop until I get to the edge. To make sure that I'm picking up a little bit of product at a time and I don't overdo my liner, I'm going to go back in every now and then to pick up some more. You guys are going to call me weird, but it's whatever, okay? When I'm doing my eyeliner, I think of it as like when I'm making an obtuse angle. You know how like in math class, they had like acute angles and obtuse angles and, you know, little things like that? It's weird, don't judge me. Alright, now that we've created our liner, now we're just going to start by filling this in. I like to start filling in my liner from the eye because if I don't, then for some strange reason it gets thicker and thicker, and I'm trying to keep this line as thin as possible. To fill this line in, I'm going to take my hand the opposite way just to make sure I don't overfill it and, you know, I don't mess up. I want to make sure this liner is nice and straight. To make sure I don't have any holes in my eyeliner, I'm just going to fill this in a little bit more just to make sure everything is all nice and covered up. I am starting to flick my wing just to give it like that nice, really sharp effect at the end. And honestly, that's basically it. That's how I do my wing lining, y'all. So now you know my little secrets. I'm actually going to do my other eye off camera, and I'm going to apply some lashes. I already applied my lashes from Lash Barbs. Now I'm going to move on to the face. I'm going to be using two primers. I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay. This is the All Nighter primer. And then I'm going to go in with the NYX Shine Killer. I actually picked this up yesterday with a couple of new things. So I'm going to apply the NYX Shine Killer into my T-zone. And then for the rest of my face, I'm going to use the Urban Decay. For foundation, I'm going to be using two foundations today. I'm going to go in with my Maybelline. This is the 24-Hour Super Stay in the shade 3030 Toffee Caramel. And then I'm going to go in with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop. This is the full coverage, and this is in the shade Golden Honey. I'm just going to apply one pump of the NYX, and then I'm going to apply like a half pump of the Maybelline. Alright, I'm going to mix those really good together, and I'm just going to apply these. I'm going to set my face really quick. I like to set every layer every now and then just to make sure everything is nice and set, you know? So I'm going to go in with my Morphe Continuous Setting Spray. I'm going to go in with my Juvia's Place Concealer. This is the I Am Magic, and this is in the shade 16. Oh my gosh, how did I get so messy? I'm just going to wipe off any excess just so I don't apply too much product. Now I'm just going to blend out this concealer. For my face, I'm going to take my Wet n Wild Contour Kit, and this is in the shade Caramel, I believe. Yeah, this is a Caramel Toffee. To set everywhere where I put my concealer, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Loose Setting Powder. This is in the shade Banana. I'm going to dip my sponge, and then I'm going to wipe off any excess. I'm going to remove any creases so I don't set my crease.
Perfect.
Right now I'm just going in with a bronzer from the Balm Cosmetics. I'm just gonna dust off any excess powder. Align my waterline really quick. I'm gonna go in with this LA Girl. This is the ShockWave. It's a neon liner. This is in the shade of Vivid. I'll be adding some glitter to my inner tear duct. I'm gonna go in with my Flutterbyro loose glitter, and this is in the shade Little Princess. Look, it's so pretty. For my lower lash line, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline. This is the Colossal. I'm just going to use this as some bottom lash mascara. For my highlighter, I'm going to go in with my, what is this? I'm going to go in with my Luna highlighter by Luna, and this is in the shade Calypso. For my lips, I'm going to go in with my NYX lip liner in Toast. For my lip gloss, I'm going to go in with my Dose of Colors. This is the shade Don't Be Shy. I'm going to go in with this Alyssa Edwards palette by Anastasia. I'm going to go in with Believe. all over the place. I forgot to set the rest of my face. I'm gonna set my face with a Fenty Filt'r powder. Alright, so this is actually the finished look. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Show your girl some love. You know we are trying to grow, baby girl. Come on and meet you. I will see you in my next video. Don't forget to wear your mask. Be safe, because we ain't trying to catch coronavirus. Your surroundings, you know, just be careful out there, okay? I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.